Hello dear friends, today let's discuss about chemical peeling procedure of Rejsol Chemical Peels. We'll keep references of glycolic chemical peel of Rejsol and we'll discuss the procedure. So this is the bottle of glycolic 50, this is the bottle of glycolic 70. Here I will not be showing you the procedure because we expect only trained people, professionals should be guided on this platform. Those who are not experienced, not trained, should not be using this medium for getting trained. We have to go to some training institute or get trained from some other personnel. You have to be authorized to do chemical peeling before you do a chemical peel. This is not a simple procedure. So we are here just to clear the doubts and not to train you. Okay, so just keep that in mind. So along with the peel bottle, there is one more thing that comes with the chemical peels, that is the neutralizer. So this is the bottle of neutralizer. Two more things are required in chemical peeling procedure. One is a moisturizer. So this is the post peel moisturizer of Rejsol. You can use any moisturizer of your choice depending upon your availability or your choice. Or you are habitual to some moisturizer, you can use any moisturizer. And the other thing that is required is a post peel sunscreen. So this is a post peel sunscreen of Rejsol. This is SPF 50. So like moisturizer, you can use any sunscreen which is at least SPF 50. You can use any sunscreen if you want, but that should be at least SPF 50. So to start with, you do cleaning of your skin. So if you are doing a face, you have to clean the face. So ideally the cleaning should be done with proper cleanser, but if your skin is normal to dry, then you can use soap and water. So use soap and water, a good soap with plenty amount of water. You wash it maybe 1 or 2 times. You can do this washing. Wash it and dry it completely with a dry cloth or tissues or whatever. Dry it completely, because if you are keeping the water on the skin, then it will neutralize the peel what you will be applying later. So you have to dry it out completely. Then if you feel that your skin is a bit oily, you can use AHA pre-peel cleanser of Rejsol or any cleanser which is not oil based. So a gel based, any surfactant based face wash, if you have good surfactant based cleanser you can use, or you can use Rejsol's AHA pre-peel cleanser. So apply cleanser, give a massage for 5 minutes and then wash with water and then subsequently dry. Drying is very important. The water should not be remaining on your skin in excess amounts, so because that will neutralize your peel, that will dilute your peel, So after drying, take the desired amount of peel in a bowl with the help of dropper that comes with the bottle, or you can just pour it on the bowl. The bowl should be ideally glass, but if you have a good plastic bowl, those Tupperware likes, those are also good enough. They are also acid resistant and you can use those bowls, small bowls. So take 1 to 3 ml for face if you want. Generally 3 ml is quite a good quantity, you can use that. So take in the bowl. Now for application, you can use 3 things. Peel brush, which the beauty stores people would understand as a bleach brush. So if you want to buy a peel brush, ask for bleach brush to any beauty store. They will give you. They might not understand what a peel brush is, but they do understand bleach brush. So bleach brush or peel brush is one and the same thing. It has fibers which are made of plastic. They are quite resistant to acids, so they won't get damaged. Don't use those painting brush that gets diluted. They are damaged and the remnants come in the acids. So don't use those painting brush or any color cosmetic application brushes. Don't use that. Use bleach brush. Or second thing what you can use is a cotton swab. Cotton swab you can use, or you can use earbuds. Earbuds are specially for those areas which are very small. So you have applied for a smaller area, then you can use earbuds also, like the melasma on the cheeks. So if you are only doing localized peeling, then you can use earbuds also. Just would like to add one information. Where should you do localized peeling and not full face peeling? If you are having hyperpigmented patches in some areas, then you should be applying the peel only to those hyperpigmented patches. If you do generalized peeling, then what is happening is the contrast between the normal and the hyperpigmented patches will remain, and you won't enjoy the results. So first get those hyperpigmented patches to a level of the normal other skin, then you can go for full face peeling. If it is a localized peel, localized hyperpigmentation, then apply on that area only. Okay, so we were talking about application of peel. So what you have decided, a peel brush, a cotton swab or earbud, take that, dip in the peeling solution that you have taken in the bowl, and that start applying. The application should be within 20 seconds. So even if you are doing a full face or you are doing a localized area or whatever, the application should be completed in 20 seconds. It should not exceed this time limit. What will happen is, if you are exceeding this time limit, then the first application where you have done will be exposed more to the peeling solution, and the area which you have applied last will be exposed less. So there will be difference in the results. There will be difference in the peel application in both these areas. So 20 seconds is good amount of time that can be taken for application of peel on the face or any part. If you are doing body parts, then take one body part at a time, a hand or leg, and then after completing the procedure with one part, you go to the other parts application. So don't try if you are doing body, don't try to take too much of area that you cannot apply the peel in 20 seconds. So take that much area which you can apply in 20 seconds, and it should be very, very fast. So now you have applied the peel, keep it for the desired time. So now what is desired time? This is calculated on the basis what was your earlier peeling experience. So for that person who had tolerated glycolic 50 well, there was no issue, the peeling was good, continue, and you have applied for only 2 minutes, then continue with the same plan of action. Don't increase or decrease, because the results were good. You continue with the same 2 minutes formula. If you find the peeling was less, so you have to increase the time. So increase the time to 3 minutes. You may further increase, but generally this is the range 1 to 3 minutes what we tell for the Rejsol peel, because this is the window where most of the peels give good results. But if the skin is very tough, you can increase the time. You can apply 2 coats also. So after 1 minute, if you find the results are not satisfactory, the client is not experiencing any kind of sensations, or the skin, if you think is a tough skin, or you have used the peel with a lower strength. So you have if you have used peel with a lower strength like TCA 15 you have used on the face, then you can apply and you are not seeing frosting, so you can apply one more coat. And after 1 minute, still if you want to increase the strength, then you can apply for one more coat. So you can do up to 3 coats. So in 3 coats, whatever is happening is the maximum that will occur with that peel. So no point in keeping on adding peel layers. Maximum that you should be doing is 3. Then you may increase the time or decrease the time depending upon what you are doing, how much layers you are doing. So keep a plan ready and modify it during the peeling procedure. So if you don't have any previous experience of the client, then you go for something intermediate. You will understand, take some history, how sensitive the skin is, or how the skin reacts to different cosmetic procedures. Depending upon that, you can judge the sensitivity and you can do the chemical peeling procedure. Adjust the time, the peel application. So once you have kept the peel for the desired time, then spray the neutralizer. Spray neutralizer all over the area where you have applied peel. Don't miss anything. So spray neutralizer on the entire skin which you have applied the peel, and then wait for 1 minute. So after waiting for 1 minute, wash that skin with plenty amount of water. Generous amount of water you have to take, and wash the entire skin and then dry it out. Thereafter apply moisturizer and sunscreen. Post peeling you have to take good care. You have to apply moisturizer depending upon the dryness you feel on the skin. So if dryness is more, apply sunscreen moisturizer quite frequently, 3 to 4 times, 6 times, 8 times depending upon the dryness. And sunscreen you apply every 2 hours. Sunscreen application 2 hourly is very important. If you don't apply sunscreen, then you will have PIH, that is post inflammatory hyperpigmentation. So if you don't apply sunscreen, the skin will turn black. So you have to apply sunscreen every 2 hourly. Even if you are at home, you have to apply the sunscreen. And what will happen is, after 2nd or 3rd day, you will see the skin has become dark and it is started peeling now. So don't remove the peeling skin by force. Ask your client, let the skin be peeled by itself only, because the inner layer is not that much healed up, so it is not peeling. So wait for the skin to be healed properly. Once it is healed, the superficial dead layer of the skin will come out itself, that is the chemical peeling. Even if you don't see the layer coming out, then it is microscopic peeling. So you don't have to worry that peeling has not occurred. Peeling occurs. It may be microscopic or macroscopic. Macroscopic you see, microscopic you don't see. If you have applied a lower strength of chemical peel, then the peeling will be microscopic. If you have done a good strong peeling, kept a longer time, then a thick layer of skin might come out. So burning of the skin, darkening of the skin, is a part and parcel of the chemical peeling procedure. So that happens, so nothing to worry about. So don't peel the skin by force, let it fall by itself only. If it is falling itself only, then the inner layer of the skin is quite healed, and you have to give it protection with the sunscreen. So this is what was the procedure of glycolic peeling, the chemical peeling procedure of Rejsol Chemical Peels. Now we will talk about glycolic. So glycol is available in strengths like 20%, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So these are the strengths available. You can choose accordingly. So glycolic 20 and 30, if you are used where you are expecting only glow, you don't want the skin to peel much. It may peel also in sensitive skin, but generally it doesn't peel. So if you want to see a glow in 4-5 days, then you can use glycolic 20-30. If you want to see peeling, you have to go for peels above 35%. So 35% you will see, but the skin is tough, go for 70%. If the skin is normal, medium sensitivity, go for 50, and if it is very sensitive, you can go for glycolic 35. With the glycolic 35, if you increase the number of coats and increase the time, you can get more results also. If you are using glycolic 70, if you wash out a bit early in 1 minute, then also you can get results. If you think the skin is tough, keep glycolic 30, 3 minutes also you can keep, or more you can keep. You can add coats. So for where do you use glycolic peels? Glycolic peels are generally used for glow and whitening. So wherever you feel you need glow and whitening, you can use glycolic peels. There are other peels also which give glow and whitening, but the safest among those is glycolic. We'll discuss in some other video where we'll tell you about which peels of Rejsol are used for whitening. So one of them is glycolic. So procedure remains the same with the glycolic as we have discussed earlier. You can do a glycolic peel. If you are starting the practice, then better to start with glycolic 35 because it is a safer peel. It won't burn because you will get panicked if something happens. Actually, generally nothing much happens with the chemical peels, but you have to be cautious. You cannot be very lenient in the what peel you are using and the time you are kept. So you cannot just apply the peel and forget. So you have to have a complete idea how much the peel should be kept and when to neutralize, what is the post peel care. All these things you have to understand to get good results with the chemical peel. So this is why the video was done, and thank you very much. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.